Good morning, mamas, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing just organizing and getting the room ready for the baby, and my toddler will be sharing his room with the baby, so it's gonna be a nursery with a toddler room and have lots of baby clothes from our toddler that I saved for next baby. And that's what I'm going to be doing today, is just organizing. I bought some bins, putting each age in different bins, so I'll have everything organized, and just taking out extra stuff out of the room that will not be here, and just slowly kind of just getting it all ready. And we're taking all the baby stuff out of the extra room that we have downstairs. We're gonna be turning it into a gym, so I have to bring up mostly all the baby stuff upstairs, so I will be also doing that today. And yeah, so I have this I don't even know what it's called, but it's hanging on the door, and I kind of need to organize that and put those two things away. And I brought some bins. I already went through most of that bin, and I got 2 of these, and I put clothes in there. I ran out of the tape, the label tape, so I will have to buy some more of that. So I have a label maker, but I ran out of the stuff that goes inside to print, so I brought some bins, and I will be putting it here, the smaller ones up there and here, and this bin already labeled, and put all of the blankets and swaddles, just swaddle blankets. So all the blankets I have for the baby in here. And yeah. So I'm putting this soft, it's like a laundry basket toy thing. So I'm putting it in the corner of the closet in there. And that is where I'm gonna throw small stuff. Once the baby grows out of something, I just put it in there. I will be putting it in there. Alright, so I put that 9 to 12, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9, and had a little bit of space. So I threw the Luli BB bag up there, the diaper bag, which I'm not gonna use it until we have the baby. I will be packing the baby's hospital stuff in there, so you guys will see it very soon enough. Probably like in 2 months you'll see it. Yeah, I will be, I think, closer to 30 weeks, so maybe like in 2.5 months. All right, let's get the swaddles out. I also have these mesh bags, which I'll be putting the baby socks in when I wash them, so I don't lose them. So for now, I'm gonna put these swaddles in this basket. Well, probably I'm gonna leave them in there. And here I'm gonna have sheets because the sheets will be for Jacob's bed and the baby's bed. So for now, it's all Jacob's sheets in there. And once we get some baby sheets, we'll be closer towards when I am due. And I also have the changing pad covers. I have 4 here. So let's see, where do I want to put them? Probably put them behind these swaddles. I'm gonna fold this. Yeah, I'm gonna fold this. Actually, no, I won't. Why I'm not folding anything is because I'm gonna be washing it. So I don't want to fold it and then throw it in the washer and have to refold it, because folding takes a long time. So I'm just gonna leave them there, because closer to the baby's due date, I'm gonna wash everything with baby laundry detergent. Okay, so now I'm gonna put all these other stuff that I won't be using right away with the baby into these little bins that are gonna go way on top of the closet, because I'm not planning on using bottles. I'm really hoping I can breastfeed. So if I will be able to breastfeed successfully, I will not need to use bottles, at least I think at least for the first month. I think I'm gonna try and not give him bottles. And these bottles are for older kids, these two. That's like once he turns 1, I think. So let's take that off. Actually, I have a lot of bottles because it was kind of hard to find what Jacob liked, and we ended up with the Dr. Brown's, which I think he still didn't like because he just stopped wanting milk or formula or breast milk, and we had a really tough time, and maybe he just didn't like any of these bottles. So I will be also buying the Komotomo bottles and really hoping the baby will like those. If it doesn't like any of these, or I don't know. I heard a lot of good stuff about the Komotomo, that it's good for breastfeeding moms. So we will try and use that. Oh, and I have a new pack of Dr. Brown's. Those are for 6 months plus, which I bought those with Jake, and I never used them. And that is all I have for bottles. So I got pretty full with that. Let's see. Let's get that out of the way. So that one is done. The next one, so this obviously I will be using from the beginning, but I think for now I'm just gonna put it here because we're not gonna be putting it in the car for quite a time. And this one he definitely won't be using for a while. So I'll put those there for now. And if I need more room for these bins, because I don't have a lot of stuff that I need to put in these bins yet. But I know after the baby shower, I for sure will. So I have one bib right now, and Jake is using one. So I will be getting more bibs, but this is for older. This one I will be using once I start packing the diaper bag. So I will take that out in a couple months. Breastfeeding bags, milk storage bags, I will put them here for now. Also, I will be putting this, also my Haka, I will put it here for now, but I will be putting it in my breastfeeding station. The baby won't be using this for quite a while. Sample storage bags. Let's see what I got in here. Looks like samples. Oh, a guide to my carriers. I will leave those there. I will probably give that to my mom. She might make me for the baby guide for the toddler bed. I'll just save it just in case. I'm gonna put it under there. Guide for Jacob's, and an extra pad which I have in the diaper bag. I think I have like 3 of these, but I will keep the black one, and I will probably throw away that green one. Maybe I'll just leave it just in case for around the house. This one's probably going to be for the around the house. Okay, got nothing here. I'm going to put this in there with the other binkies, which I don't think I'm even going to give this to the baby. The Nuke one. But we'll see. So I put the 4 baskets up there, and then I have a humidifier, and everything fit perfect. So this is how it looks for now. I did not organize that, but I will later. I brought the boppy in here. Probably gonna put it in the crib. And then I brought this little bassinet that we used when we went camping with Jacob, and all the baby toys are in there. And here is the swing. I'm gonna take this out and put the baby swing right there, and I think that is it for now. So in our room, I put the Halo bassinet in the corner here, And why I brought all the big stuff up here is because wherever we were storing all this stuff, we were turning it into a gym room, so we had to take all this out. So I just put it in the spot, and once we get a bed frame, I will put it here. But that is where it's gonna be for now.